O rĩrĩ ahuraniri anene a giturwa kia President marathi na mbere na kampeni cia kwiranira maundu maria makahingiria muingi wona mathurwo. Mehaririria ma Ndereti ya ahuraniri a giturwa giki no mathiite na mbere na gugakuruhanio ikundi itiganite niguo gutigirira mugambo wa Wanjiku ni waiguika. Umuthi ikundi itiganite cia kuruirira ihoto cia muingi o undu umwe na iria cianakorwo ikinyita itemi ithurano-ini ni magikiranira ngirimiti na athurimi anene a Mohoro niguo kumakuruhania. Ndereti iria ihaririirio ni ya giturwa kia ugavana Nairobi hamwe na anini ahuraniri a Upresident itanyari gutigirira mugambo wa aikia kura ni waiguika.
Debate for Nairobi will be held on Monday, the 11th of July. That will then be followed by the deputy presidential debate on the 19th.
Kuringana na kiama gia athurimi anene a Mohoro, Ndereti ya ahuraniri a giturwa kia President igatabanio kuringana na maumirira ma kambuni cia uthuthuria. Aria mari na thi wa gicunji gia 5% magakorwo makiambiriria na waria mari na makiria ma gicunji gia 5% macokerere.
If you have less than 5% of the poll, that will be the first tier, and then whoever has more than 5%, that will be the second tier. So that gives you an opportunity of having two groups.
And then finally the presidential debate on the 26th. Today we'd like to announce that we will be opening our channels for those Kenyans and especially voters in Nairobi who are interested in contributing questions. Debates website, that is debates.co.ke. Those who prefer WhatsApp or text messages can do so through this number. The number is 0796 560 560. The short code for SMS is 22843.
Ihinda-inĩ o riu ahuraniri iturwa itiganite o undu umwe na muingi ni mathingatitwo kuiga thayu niguo kuhe aigithia mwihoko wa kuigithia guku bururi-ini makigweta maundu maria mabatie kuigwo muhari-ini wa mbere ni aria maramatha iturwa.
And our motto is kagua kabla kuchagua. And in 2022, we are looking at 3 pillars. There is the economic pillar, political pillar, which is the leadership and governance. We have also the social pillar, really looking at some of the sectors that really affect Kenyans. And that's that we'll be meeting with the different groups, whether they're religious leaders, whether they're civil society.
Oho ritana ria gwitikira maumirira ma githurano no rikitio iri ta njira ya gwithemana na ngui kana gucokerwo gwa githurano.
Campaign is to encourage Kenyans to understand that elections are being normalized this year, that we have to be a civilized society. Like in Europe, people vote in the morning, in the evening they go to work. Every politician should be prepared with 2 speeches. One is your victory speech. The election could go the other way. So we are saying also, prepare your concession speech, so that when you don't win, you can announce to the Kenyans that I did my best, but the people decided otherwise.
Ndereti ya giturwa kia President itanyitwo gugatabanio tariki 26 mweri uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Muirore.